Here is another interesting place to visit with a wealth of history to discover in one of Berlin's largest districts, Spandau. Here you can discover natural and cultural highlights far from the hustle and bustle of the city, and I can say that it's worth a visit. Starting from the Altstadt Spandau U-Bahn station, you reach the Old Town, which is now a pedestrian zone and shopping area. Spandau is characterized by its unique waterfront location and abundant greenery. Founded as a medieval fortress town in the 13th century, Spandau has experienced much throughout the ages. History is practically everywhere you look. Spandau's Old Town, incidentally Berlin's largest contagious pedestrian zone, speaks of a vibrant past. The district itself is equally modern and dynamic. Spandau is Berlin's largest economic center. The city center developed on what was then called the Old Town Island. Even today, the Old Town is still proud of the many historic buildings, such as the Gothic House and St. Nicholas Church. It's well worth strolling through the winding alleys, crossing the market squares, and discovering small, unique shops. If you get the chance to visit the place, be sure to visit one of the weekly markets and fill your basket with fresh fruits and crisp vegetables. Feel free to wander around the side streets and let yourself be enchanted by the old houses and colorful facades. The most impressive attraction and a testament to the history of the place rises up opposite Spandau's Old Town. The early Renaissance Citadel in Berlin not only hides exciting treasures behind its walls, which are up to 4 meters thick, but is also a destination for around 10,000 bats every year who hibernate here. The Spandau Citadel is one of the best preserved high Renaissance fortress in all of Europe, and therefore definitely worth a trip to Spandau. The Havel River flows around the fortress, and you can only enter when the drawbridge is lowered. The old castle is easily accessible 10 to 15 minutes on foot from the Old Town, and you can directly make a stop at the Citadel U-Bahn station. There are various exhibitions to admire, and large castle festivals take place here every year. Like during this visit, I witnessed different model of new and vintage vehicles. Expect to pay for admission during your visit. Despite of all the new buildings, Spandau's long history is still very much present in the Old Town. It's well worth a visit as there's plenty of architecture to discover while strolling around. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Spandau even more.
And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!